Hello everyone, my name is Ashwini Kumar Yadav and today I am going to present a presentation with my fellow team members Dhruv Patel and Chuks Ikmamia with representing team number 1, and our topic of presentation is improvement of existing face mask. In this presentation, we go through the introduction part and then all three lenses and then conclude this introduction. The introduction and the nature lens will be presented by me, and the human lens will be represented by Dhruv Patel, and the business lens and conclusion will be represented by Chuks Ikpemia. The problem, existing face mask process, health and environment challenges which needs to be addressed to solve 3 UN SDGs problems, which are UN SDG 3, the good health, UN SDG 12, responsible consumption, and UN SDG 13, protect the planet. The solutions to achieve the best solution, this improved face mask product has been analyzed through 3 smart design lenses, which are nature, human and business lens. Nature lens. The nature lens of smart design helps to know the impact of any product on nature and how to overcome such problems. In this section of this representation, our aim is to modify the face mask so that it will not have any negative impact on nature. Natural solutions of plastic face masks. Our first solution is Genus membrane filter with chitosan nanoparticles. The Genus membrane filter incorporates with micro and nano fiber mats. The advantage of this material are biodegradability, low toxicity and reduced anxiety. Our second solution is bioplastic. Bioplastic is a kind of biodegradable plastics, comes from organic substance instead of regular plastic made from petroleum based products. Our third solution is wheat gluten polymers. A biodegradable face mask made up of wheat gluten polymer, a byproduct of grain cereal industry, could be made using a range of procedures. Wheat production by India is about 70 million ton, which is about 12% of world population production. Because of its vast wheat production potential, India is well placed to manufacture biopolymers on a large scale for biodegradable face masks. Our fourth solution is Abaca leaf fibers. Abaca leaf fibers comes from a plant that looks like a banana tree. Abaca is pretty much as a solid polyester, yet dissimilar to polyester. It can decompose in only 2 months. Our last solution is hemp fiber. Hemp fiber is another natural fiber that can be easily decomposed on land and sea without harming the nature. One of the main benefits of hemp fiber is its ability to protect against the harmful UV rays, with studies showing that it can block 99.9% of both UVA and UVB harmful rays. Thank you very much. Now I am hand over this presentation to my colleague Dhruv Patel.
I would like to talk about human lens. So what is human lens? Looking from the point of view of humans towards any products and observing their effects on human body, we might find products causing irritation, infection and harmful effects on the human body, which needs to be addressed. So let's look at face mask using human lens. Why do we need to modify current existing masks? They all are very itchy and creates various skin related problems, and also they don't provide 100% protection while providing comfort. So we have proposed 2 changes that can provide protection along with comfort. Moving towards the first modification, which is adding exhale valve and filtering respirators. The benefits are an exhale valve can be incorporated through which air can pass, providing better air ventilation. It is like a fan which can move air both ways. This resolves problems like generation of fog, face acne, and redness that occurs on the face. However, adding this fan along will expose the user to the outer atmosphere, which is not what is required. So there is a need to add a respirator protection to filter this air. This system will throw the air directly outside, decreasing the CO2 level and moisture gained by breathing. It will also maintain the temperature level. Moving towards the second enhancement, which is silver iron and graphene enhanced protective face mask. There are 4 major properties, namely silver iron gives antimicrobial protection as silver metal has this unique property. This material is made from microfibers and microplastics, so it is washable and 100% recyclable. Graphene coating can create the functionality of antibacterial as well as antiviral. Other than that, mask is self-sanitizing as Whenever the sunlight falls on the primary layer, in the graphite heats up and thereby destroying the jumps. Now Chooks will present the business lens.
Okay, one of the lenses being considered in this project is a business lens, and it aims at reviewing the viability of face mask products while considering India as a choice location. It also examines the business model that is being employed in this project. Okay, here we have the business model in block diagram, and the first is on the top right hand corner where we have the identification of problem. This is when the problem is being identified, after which a research is being conducted to obtain an improved product. This improved product undergoes laboratory production and testing to ascertain this quality. After its qualities are being ascertained, a small scale is scale a small scale manufacturing is being done, of which some of these products is given to some customers for testing purpose. And from the feedback of these customers, we continue improving on this product by identifying more problems, and also through advancement of technology we can also identify more problems. And when all problems has been identified, the product undergoes upscaling and industrial manufacturing. And you can see on the left hand side we have an orange arrow pointing at each stage. That's the funding options to be considered in each stage. Okay, we expect this product to cost about $1. This is about three times the cost of existing face mask products, because biodegradable solutions cost about three times the plastic counterparts. And with about 1.38 billion Indians using face masks daily, we expect our revenue to be about 1.4 billion US dollars per day. Okay, in conclusion, we have been able to improve these face mask products by solving SDG problems, uh, the UN SDG problem 3 and 12, and we have categorized the solutions based on these SDGs. For SDG 3, we have incorporated extraction valves with active venting system, which helps to remove excess moisture and excess carbon dioxide. We have also used a silver ion coating, which has some antiviral and antibacterial property, and we also use graphene coating, which has hydrophobic property in repelling moisture. For SDG 12, we have used biodegradable polymers, and these are polymers that decompose when disposed. So over time they decompose. So this this helps. That means this gives the best solution for this improved face mask product. Thank you.